Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I hope you had a great Memorial Day yesterday and enjoyed some time maybe outside and got a chance to just kind of relax this weekend. So hopefully you were able to do that and had a great Memorial Day and enjoyed a nice Monday off here. I'm going to go ahead and talk through your assignments for this week. It's relatively brief, especially because Monday we didn't have any assignments. So let's go ahead and look at what we've got this week. So your goal this week is to master multiplying and dividing rational expressions. So what that is taking what we've been working on the past 2 weeks. So factoring, finding the greatest common factor, canceling like terms, those things, and it's building upon it this week. So it's taking all the skills that you guys are doing really well with, and it's just adding one more little step to them. So I have 2 video lessons for you guys to work through to kind of help you with that. So reminder in office hours, make sure you're taking advantage of those. Again, these links here will join you right to those Google Hangouts. Okay. And you guys have been doing a good job of emailing me with any questions. Feel free to also use Remind. And then also, if your parents are having any questions, have them check their email. I sent out an email, I believe it was last week, about having them sign up for talking points. And that's another way they can easily get a hold of me. Those messages go right to my phone. So just another idea here. But here's what we have for this week's plan. So Monday, Memorial Day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that day. We're able to get outside and kind of be able to just relax. Tuesday is our intro day, so make sure you fill out that check-in form. Kind of see how you're doing, answer a few questions for me, and kind of go from there. Wednesday is when we have our lesson, okay, and practice problems. So this week, again, like what I said, we're taking the skills from last week, so use your notes from last week, and we're building upon them. So reminder on that multiplication chart, that's still linked in there for you. But we have 2 video lessons this week, okay? One's on multiplying and one's on dividing. They are extremely similar. There is just one teeny difference and extra step that you have to do with dividing. Okay, so those 2 lessons there. And then I did this last week and it seemed to work really well, and I had quite a few students join me. I did a live lesson on Thursday, so I went over even more problems for students to ask questions during the video and get any extra help. I'll be doing that on Thursday at 11, and you can use this link right here to join for that live lesson, okay? After you've gone through the lessons, you can go ahead and move on to the practice problems on Delta Math. You have 8 practice problems this week. That's it. So very short. And if you're having trouble typing in your answers, here is a video tutorial to help you. It will show you how to type exponents in, fractions, everything like that. Okay. After you've done the practice, watch the lessons, and you're feeling confident, go ahead and move on to that Mastery FA. Some of us are getting done with the practice and we're forgetting about this one. Make sure you come back and take that Mastery FA. It's a short 2-question FA, okay? Because Monday there was no school, I'm pushing everything back a day, and I'm going to update Infinite Campus on Friday this week to reflect what you've done, okay? Quite a few of us are completing the assignments after the grades go in as missing. Do your best, guys, to try and get those done beforehand. It's just easier for you, and then emails don't get sent home and you don't get notifications on your phone. Okay, so I'm going to be updating those Friday, probably Friday mid-afternoon, so probably around noon on Friday I'll be updating those. So just keep that in mind as you kind of go through next week as you're completing your assignments. Okay, over here I have linked to the material of previous weeks for 722, 723, and PS4. Guys, this material is all in the grade book, so if you do not have a 1 for it, or you have a 0.5 or a missing, you have stuff you need to work on, okay? I've sent anyone who has missing stuff for that emails, so you should know if you're someone who has something to work on for those lessons there, okay? But this is what we have planned for this week. As a reminder, last Friday I posted on Google Classroom a survey. If you could please fill that out for me, I would really appreciate it. It's a lot shorter than the ones that you guys do in class, and it has a few more questions that specifically pertain to virtual learning. The whole goal of this, guys, is to see how we're doing, and as teachers, if there's any other ways that we can continue to help our students. Please remember, I do have feelings, so at the end where there's comments, if you feel like there's something I could do better, please just remember I have feelings and I do my very best for you guys. And so just be respectful and try your very best not to be extremely rude about that, right? I would never try and do that to you guys. So please just keep that in mind. Again, I appreciate you taking the time to do that. And D hour, please make sure you fill it for both me and Miss DeYoung. You guys have to do 2 there, 1 for each of us. So thank you so much again for taking the time to fill that out. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you guys in my office hours. All right, hope you had a great weekend, and talk to you soon. Bye.